So today's video is regarding HP SmartTank 7301 printer, and I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing, setup, how to install the ink and connect it with the wireless network of your home or office so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Now the first thing is to unbox this, so let's do the unboxing. So once we do the unboxing, we have to remove the tape. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer. So plug it in. So press the power button. So once we plug in, after some time you will see your printer is ready for the setup. So wireless light is flashing. Open the app. We have to add the printer, so click on the plus button on the top. Select set up a new printer, get started. It will show up SmartTank selected. On the next screen it will show the Wi-Fi network name and you have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Once we enter the password, click continue. Press the information button on the printer. So it is connected to the network and you will get a confirmation on your phone. Now click continue. So we have a flip cap, so we can select the flip cap bottle and continue. Now we have to fill in the ink tanks. So there is a place to lift from this side. Lift it until you hear the lock sound. Now we will start filling the ink tank. So this is the place we have to install ink. I'm going to start from the color side. So take your first ink cartridge, open the bottle, remove the seal, place the cover again. Simply lift the cover like this and you have to place it just above the nozzle and press it down. Now take the bottle out. So in the same way do for the magenta and the blue. Now we can just take it away. Close the cap and close this door. Place this section with the nozzle. So just match it. Hear the bubble sound in the bottle and also the ink level will go up and it will completely fill the ink tank. So once you see it's done, shake the bottle and take it away. Simply close it. So we have filled the ink tanks. Now we can scroll ahead. Now press the door down and close this door. Click on continue. Next thing is to install the print heads. So once you open it again, this portion will move here. Now we have to install the ink cartridge here. So press the blue button little bit. This is a lock and you will see this whole chamber. And now take this orange thing out. Now place black ink cartridge on the black side. Slide it and press it in. Once you press it in, it will be stable. Now take the second ink cartridge out. So this is the color ink cartridge. Remove the seal. Also the cap. And this we have to install like this. So press it down a little bit. So once it is stable and you hear a lock sound, that means it's done. Now we can close this chamber, press it down and it will lock here. Now we can close the ink cartridge chamber door. So once we install the print heads, on the screen it will flash the information button and a page. That means we have to load the paper. So once you install, just confirm it in the app. So scroll ahead Now the paper tray is at the bottom, so simply take it out. You can remove this sheet, adjust the size, place the sheets here. Now close the door and check on the screen. Also on the mobile you can just simply click on the continue button. So it's printing the alignment page now. So we have to scan this page. So this is the copy button, we can see blinking here. So press it once. So alignment is successful and you will see it says complete. You can select auto updates so that your printer stays updated. So setup is complete and we can just print a page to see for the confirmation. Now click on the continue button. We can send a link to other devices or we can skip it. So setup is complete, all done. Thanks for watching.